Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best spiral notebook in red, the 5-Star Spiral Notebook Plus Study app. A 5-subject college-ruled notebook that measures 8-1/2 by 11 inches. Whether you're a student, professional, or someone who just loves to stay organized, this notebook promises to be a reliable companion throughout your year. First off, the 5-Star Notebook stands out with its durability. It boasts a water-resistant plastic cover designed to protect your notes from spills and wear. The cover's toughness makes it perfect for carrying in backpacks or bags without worrying about damage. What's more, the notebook includes tough pockets that help prevent tears and are spacious enough to hold standard 8-1/2 by 11 loose sheets. So you can keep extra handouts or papers organized along with your notes. Inside, you get 200 double-sided sheets. That's 400 pages of college-ruled paper, ideal for detailed note-taking. The paper is designed to fight ink bleed, meaning your writing stays clear and crisp without ruining the other side of the page. If you ever need to remove a page, the perforations make tear-outs neat and easy, maintaining the notebook's overall tidiness. One unique feature of this notebook is its compatibility with the 5-Star Study app. This app allows you to scan your notes directly from the pages, turning your handwriting into instant flashcards. You can sync these notes to Google Drive, so accessing your study material from any device becomes hassle-free. It's a smart integration that bridges traditional note-taking with digital convenience, enhancing your study or work routine. The spiral itself is designed thoughtfully with a spiral lock wire that prevents snags on clothes or bags, which is a small but appreciated detail. No more caught sleeves or damaged spiral coils. The notebook also carries an SFI certification, meaning the paper is responsibly sourced, and after use, it's recyclable. Just remove the reinforcement tape on the pocket, and you're good to recycle the rest, making this a more environmentally conscious choice. Another highlight is the notebook's guaranteed lasting power. 5-Star offers a 1-year guarantee from the date of purchase or delivery, whichever is longer. This speaks to their confidence in the product's durability, although it's important to note the guarantee doesn't cover misuse. The size is classic and versatile, perfect for school or office use. At 8-1/2 by 11 inches, it's spacious enough for detailed notes, sketches, or diagrams. With 5 subjects divided in one notebook, you can keep multiple classes or projects neatly separated without the bulk of multiple notebooks. Now, let's talk about the overall design and user experience. The vibrant fire red color isn't just eye-catching, it also makes the notebook easy to find among other supplies. The combination of practical features like perforated sheets, durable pockets, and the water-resistant cover makes it a notebook built for everyday use and resilience. To sum it up, the 5-Star Spiral Notebook Plus Study app in Fire Red is a smart blend of durability, functionality, and digital integration. It's designed to last a full year, protect your notes from damage, and help you organize multiple subjects efficiently. If you want a notebook that goes beyond just paper and pen and connects your physical notes to a study app, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in the 5-Star Spiral Notebook, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.